Flies, also known as warble flies, heel flies, and gadflies, are a family of flies known as the Ostridae. Their larvae are internal parasites of mammals, some species growing in the host's flesh and others within the gut. Today, we are presenting you this informative video to give you an idea about how warbles can be removed easily without causing any pain to the infected species. You can see in this clip of a bird infected with botflies, not only its body but even its paw are covered with botflies. We cannot even imagine how much pain the bird is going through, as the botfly not only grows but also feeds from the body of the creature it is present in. And in return, it only harms it by causing infection and even might cause death. A small breathing hole is often visible in the skin over the botfly. The larva enlarges until it is large enough to leave the hole. The growth of the botfly helps us to remove it by simply pulling it out before its excretion stage. Such procedure does seem simple, but must be done by professionals, as any wrong move could cause immense pain to the creature and could even cause infection and death. Thankfully, the warbles are safely removed.